today I will discuss with you why it takes more time to success in Forex or why people don't get success in Forex. So today we will talk about this issue. Forex trading is a place where there is no specific time. In other words, some people mature in Forex in just 6 months and some people don't get success even in 6 years. So what the reason for not having such a specific time? There are many reasons behind this, not just one. It may take more and less time for various reasons. The biggest reason behind taking less and more time is because of yourself. Because if you maintain everything and follow everything and trade, then your time will be less. Again, if you don't follow the rules and don't follow everything, then your time may take longer. There is no specific time. He who can give himself for Forex, who can dedicate himself to do something good, he will successful at the end of the day. And for those who come to Forex and don't take it seriously or come for 2 or 3 days, it takes more time and they fall. There are many more reasons and we will discuss all in details, so stay with us. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD and I hope you all are well. And those who want to see this type of video, want to see about Forex tips and tricks, please follow this playlist of FOREX BD. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find all types of video. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. The main reason why it takes so long to develop yourself as an expert trader in Forex is to practice incorrectly. There is a lot of things to be done in practice. Many of them we have discussed in the video and discussed in details. So we have created a playlist for those who want to know. They must follow this playlist. The first thing of wrong practice is pairs. Forex has many currency pair, but most people think that since there are many pair, I will trade in the pair in which I get entry. But this is the biggest foolishness. We have talked about this many times before and said always trade in USD based pair, that is trade in major pair. These rules are not just simple thing. There are big reasons behind this. We talked about fundamental analysis. Those who are in Forex have heard the word fundamental analysis many times. Why did we say that? Because you understand that good analysis is important for good profit. So now suppose you are doing fundamental analysis and you trade in all pair. So what will happen in this case? In this case, you have to have an idea about each currency pair to do fundamental analysis. Since fundamental analysis means knowing about the economic condition of a country, so since you are trading in all pair, so you also need to know about all the pairs and all the country. That is all the currencies. A pair has 2 currencies, so you have to have an idea about each currencies and each country. And this is the fundamental analysis. Now think of yourself, is it possible to do a fundamental analysis every day about so many countries? No, that is not really possible. So you have to follow some specific pairs, and that is major pair, because in major pair the spread is always less, so you don't have to pay more fees, and a strategy is not suitable for all currencies. So at least you have to trade in certain currencies, keeping this in mind. Now you may be wondering what is the importance of fundamental analysis. Then I will say this thing a little short. Do you remember how much oil price fall when the corona crisis started? Because that time oil export were stopped, and the way oil is extracted from mines can never be stopped or production can be reduced. So even if there is no demand or export of oil, the production of that oil was the same as before. So the price of oil continued to fall at a rapid rate. Not only in the oil but also in the Forex market, the price of oil continued to fall alarmingly. Those who trade in oil, they know this well. So at such a moment, those who keep that information about the oil market, that is those who did the fundamental analysis, they could survive this collapse. But those who did not keep any information, they lost. So of course this analysis is important. So if you trade in a lot of currencies, then you have to deal with a lot of currencies, which is difficult for everyone. Next one is the indicator. You must hear the word indicator. Maybe you can't find a people who have never found a good indicator. Everyone everyone wants to trade with an indicator and looking for an indicator that will give 100% profit. But this is the biggest mistake, because there is no indicator that gives 100% profit. I repeat, there is no indicator that will give you 100% signal. But most traders practice for a while with an indicator and then throw it away. Then he takes another one, and after practicing for some time he thrown it away, because all the indicators are not set for every currencies. The indicator is not an Aladdin's lamp that will give you 100% accurate signal all the time. In that case, the person who made the indicator should never share it with anyone. It will only play a helpful role in your analysis, never more. And it doesn't need 100% accurate signal. If you follow the 1:3 profit ratio, you will be beneficial at the end of the day, even if you face 7 loss out of 10. Can't believe it? We have given you a video on this topic a long time ago. Those who have not seen it must watch it. This have been discussed there. Now talk about it. Isn't possible for you to make a profit in 3 trade out of 10 trade? There is no analysis that you can't do. So you have to fix it yourself in advance. There is no need 100% accurate signal. If you can win 50% trade, then you will be profitable. But for this, you have to follow 1:3 profit ratio. The last thing I will discuss is the time frame. Currency, pairs, indicator, we gave some importance to this issue, but we don't give so much importance to the time frame. Even many times we can't see this time frame, but it's important to choose a time frame for good trading. You will see in our various videos that we suggest time frame when sharing strategies, because not all strategies are suitable for all time frame. Most strategies are work in long time frame. One of them is support and resistance. There are very few strategies that work in short time frame. So don't trade in all time frame, and from home you will learn the strategy. You will know from which time frame is suitable for that strategy. And personally, we always talked about trading in long time frame, because if you look at the small time frame, you can't get idea about whole market, and if you look a big time frame, then you will get the whole idea about the market. That is, you will know everything about the trend of the market. So you should trade in big time frame. So basically, many traders don't follow this issue. Because of more time, they leave forex. So everyone should keep that in mind and trade in forex. Then you can expect success. So viewers, this is our today's video. Hopefully you can understand our today's video, and hopefully you can keep that in your mind. So viewers, before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.